Alrighty, so let's move in here. So one update I like to make to the application is I'd like to display a list of products in an HTML table. We have the basic functionality in place, but let's go ahead and spruce it up a bit and make it look pretty. So I'll swing over to my file system and do a copy paste on our .html file. So I'll copy the product list component.html and I'll simply paste it. So here's the new version here. Copy, and I'll rename it and give it a better name. So we'll call it product list -table .component, and I get rid of the copy stuff. Alrighty, that looks good. Let's go ahead and open up our TypeScript file, our TS file. Let me zoom out here for a bit. And in our TypeScript file, in our component, we need to simply change the actual template that we're going to use. So on line 7, I'll just do a copy paste here. I'll comment out our original version. I'll update line 7 to say product list table .component.html. So let's go ahead and move into our product list table component.html. We currently have the paragraph code here. Let's just go ahead and move that to the bottom. And then up top, we'll add our table and we'll borrow some of that code. So I set up the table, then I set up my T head and my table rows with THs. So for the actual headers here for these columns, I'll have name, price, and units in stock. And then I'll add some coding here for the table body. So again, table row, and I'll just kind of copy some of this ngFor stuff and I'll put it here for the table row because this is all the same code, right? We're just using a different layout thing. And then I'll add some table data here and I'll just grab the temp product.name, paste it up here, and I'll just copy paste line 13 X number of times. And then drop in the price. And I need to do one more TD for the units in stock. This is .unit in stock. Right. So that looks pretty good, and I can get rid of all the paragraph stuff at the bottom. All right, so that's the basic layout here for our table for looping over our products and putting them in a nice table format. Pretty good. Just swing over to my browser and boom, success. This looks great. So we have our table layout with our products. Good job. I want to make one small little modification here on the T head, add some of those bootstrap styles. Put in the T head dark. Swing back over, and there we go. Okay, that looks great. I like it. So this is looking really good so far.